Have you ever wondered why your grandparents seemed to have such thick, wavy, healthy hair well into their golden years, while modern hair products promise the world but deliver disappointment? What if I told you there's an ancient trick involving wavy hair that doctors might not highlight because it's free, simple, and incredibly powerful for your overall health as you age? Today, we're diving into this hidden gem that's perfect for seniors like you. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. John Smith. If you're enjoying this video, let's start with the secret itself, the ancient wavy hair trick. Picture this: thousands of years ago, in Ayurvedic traditions from India, wise healers discovered that gently massaging warm oils into the scalp in wavy, circular patterns, what we now call Shiro Abhyanga or scalp Abhyanga, could transform not just your hair, but your entire well-being. This isn't some trendy gimmick. It's a time-tested ritual where you create soft, wavy motions with your fingertips, mimicking the natural waves of healthy hair, to boost blood flow deep into the scalp. For us over 55, whose hair often thins, dries out, or grays due to slower circulation and hormonal shifts, this trick revives follicles like nothing else. Why do doctors shy away from shouting this from the rooftops? Well, big pharma and beauty industries push expensive shampoos and supplements, but this ancient method costs pennies and works wonders without side effects. Studies show that just 4 minutes of daily scalp massage over 24 weeks thickens hair by stimulating growth factors and reducing loss. Imagine that for your confidence. But it goes deeper. Those wavy massage strokes release stress hormones like cortisol, easing the tension that ages us faster. Give it a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Share it with a friend who needs better hair and health. And don't forget to subscribe for more senior wellness tips. Now, let's talk real benefits for your senior years. First, unbeatable hair health. Better circulation delivers oxygen and nutrients, fighting thinning and adding natural shine without chemicals. Second, joint and muscle relief. The head and neck massage eases stiffness, much like Abhyanga for arthritis, improving flexibility where you need it most. Third, profound stress reduction. In a world of worries, this calms your nervous system, lowers blood pressure, and even helps with sleep, which so many of us struggle with. To make it relatable, think of my patient Margaret, 68, who came to me with dry, limp hair and constant headaches from neck tension. After 2 weeks of this wavy trick nightly, her hair gained volume, her headaches vanished, and she felt years younger, all backed by traditions over 5,000 years old. Science echoes this. A study on office workers found 15 to 25 minutes of scalp massage dropped stress markers significantly. You'll need basic items: coconut or sesame oil, gentle, nourishing staples. Warm a tablespoon slightly, not hot, just comfy like bath water. Sit comfortably, perhaps in your favorite chair after dinner. Dip your fingertips into the warm oil and start at the front of your scalp, right above your forehead. Using gentle, wavy motions like drawing soft sideways S shapes or figure eights, move in small circles, pressing lightly but firmly enough to feel the scalp move under your fingers. Cover the crown next, then the sides and back of your head, taking about 5 to 10 minutes total. Breathe deeply to make it relaxing, almost meditative. Those wavy patterns aren't random. They follow natural energy lines in Ayurveda called marma points, boosting circulation without strain, perfect for arthritic fingers. Finish by wrapping your head in a warm towel or old cotton scarf for 20 to 30 minutes to let the oil soak in. Then shampoo gently. No need for harsh scrubbing. Do this 3 to 5 times a week, and you'll notice softer, wavier hair texture emerging naturally as the scalp health improves. For best results as a senior, tweak it your way. If your hair is fine or graying, add a drop of rosemary essential oil to the base. Studies link it to regrowth rivaling minoxidil, but safer. Dry skin or dandruff. Go for sesame oil, rich in vitamin E for moisture without greasiness. Got oily scalp? Coconut oil absorbs quickly and fights fungi. Always patch test first, especially if you have sensitivities, and chat with your doctor if on blood thinners, as massage amps circulation. What makes this wavy hair trick so special for hair volume? The motions stimulate mechanoreceptors, increasing blood flow by up to 20%, delivering growth-boosting DHT blockers naturally. Seniors often lose hair from poor scalp health. Think menopause or andropause, but this reverses it gently. One trial showed participants gaining hair thickness after consistent massage, proving it's no myth. Beyond hair, the systemic perks are huge. Improved circulation from neck to shoulders reduces chronic pain, like that nagging upper back ache from hunching over phones. It balances hormones too, easing hot flashes or sleep issues by regulating the pituitary gland. Mentally, endorphins flood in, combating isolation or anxiety common in retirement years. Real-life proof? Take Tom, 72, a retiree with balding spots and insomnia. Incorporating wavy massages before bed, he reported thicker hair in a month, slept soundly, and even his blood pressure dipped, mirroring Ayurvedic claims validated by modern wellness pros. Communities online rave about it for wavy, voluminous locks without heat tools that damage aging hair. My fingers hurt. Start with 2 minutes, build up, or use a soft brush for wavy strokes. Oil everywhere. Lay a towel down and use sparingly. It washes out with one mild shampoo. No quick results? Consistency is key. Most see shine in 1 to 2 weeks. Volume in 4 to 6 per user stories and studies. Avoid if you have open scalp wounds or recent surgery, but otherwise it's safe gold. Enhance with senior-friendly diet ties. Eat walnuts, spinach, and berries for biotin and omega-3 south that amp the trick's effects internally. Pair with gentle walks, circulation synergy for head-to-toe vitality. Track progress with weekly photos. You'll be amazed. Why hide this gem? Simple routines like this empower you over pricey fixes, and while safe, always personalized with pros. You've got the power for lush, wavy hair and vibrant health. Start tonight. Thanks for joining, friends. Drop comments. Tried it? Share your wins. Like, subscribe, share. Stay healthy. See you next time.